Just like fire, burning up the way, rocking the world up for just one day. Watch this madness, colorful charade. No one can be just like me anyway. Just like magic, I'll be flying free. I'ma disappear when they come for me. No one can be just like me anyway.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about magic, and that magic is shrinkage, you guys. OMG. Now I know in the natural hair community that is a big topic, and also it could be a frustrating topic for a lot of naturals, but I want to kind of give you another side of shrinkage. Shrinkage is amazing. Now, when I first started going natural, I did not understand shrinkage. I'm like, what is this? You know, my hair would be one length, and then the next minute when it dries, it's a whole nother length. And I have shrinkage like no other. I want to say I have at least 75 to 80% shrinkage with my hair, but I never really understood it. But now, as I've been learning about my hair, and I know I have so much more to learn, it is amazing. It is beautiful, and it is magic, okay? And, you know, the first thing that shrinkage shows you is the health of your hair. When you see your hair go from one length and it bounces up to another length, that is amazing. It's magical, and I see God in that. I know a lot of people like, what, God? Yes, I see God in our hair. It shows how wonderful He is. Like, we might not understand it, but God had a reason for our hair to have shrinkage. And it's so amazing. And I want to challenge you guys, instead of getting frustrated, and just try to understand. Ask God for understanding about your hair, because God is in our hair, and our hair is magical. So yeah, so this video is dedicated to shrinkage, and mine is so amazing. I just had to do a video on it, and I know a lot of you guys who watch my videos, y'all have seen my shrinkage firsthand. A lot of you guys who have not seen it, you will see it today, because I'm gonna show you guys my shrinkage. Also, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell so you can get notifications, because this is an amazing journey we're on, and I'm super excited about it, and I want you to come along. So you guys, I'm gonna show you guys my shrinkage. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my hair down, and I'm gonna use my DIY moisturizer. You guys, I have a video on it, so check it out. It's very helpful. It's very good for your hair and scalp, so check that video out to see what's in this spray bottle. Okay, and then I'm just going to use a product, any product, no particular product, because I just want you guys to see the beauty of shrinkage. It is so amazing. So I'm going to take my hair down, and I washed my hair yesterday, and I just let it dry on its own. And as you can see, even in its dried state, like, it still shrinks up, and my hair is really long. And this right here, with me pulling it, is still not showing my true length. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start on this side, and I'm gonna take my hair loose, and I'm gonna basically just kind of like do a wash and go with my hair. So I'm just gonna do the whole side. So, and I'm going to just talk while I'm doing this. So, another great thing, you guys, so this is the DIY hair moisturizer that I love about shrinkage, is that it's versatile. Like, we could do so many different things with our hair. Not only we can stretch our hair out to show the length, and then we can also have the shrinkage. Because sometimes I don't even want my hair on me because it's longer now, and sometimes I want it off of my shoulders. And so I'll do a wash and go, and just let my hair shrink up, and I have a whole different look, and it's just amazing. So I've told you guys in previous videos that our hair talks to us. It really does. And you know, shrinkage, it tells you, like I said, the health of your hair. And also, it can let you know if your hair is damaged. You know, when you have damaged hair and your hair is not curling up properly, that lets you know that some damage is there. Or it's telling you that you might just need some protein in your hair. So, you know, our hair talks to us and tells us things. We just have to pay attention. So, I got my hair sprayed, I think, pretty good. I know this is gonna get kind of messy. So you guys can see that, and you can kind of see the curls. So now I'm gonna take a product and just add that to my hair. So just taking product and adding that on to my hair. Now you can see my hair is really long, but once it shrinks up, it tells a different story. So I hope from this video, you guys, that we can start learning to embrace our beautiful hair. It's magical. It really is. And God designed it that way for a reason. So, now I'm just adding that. I'm going to try to take my brush and just kind of define it a little more. Put some of that over there. Okay, so we're going to take our paddle brush and just define it a little bit. And you could just see the beauty in this, because when my hair was dry with no product on it, it looked totally different. Now, you know, look at it. I mean, I know a lot of people try to define our hair to be this and that. It's just straight up magical. It's magical. It's not no certain way. I know a lot of people say, oh, you have 3 this. I have 4C in my hair. You could just see it from when it was dry. I mean, without any products on my hair does not look like this. So it's just magical to me. And I don't define my hair as a certain thing. It's just magical. It's just what it is. So this is this side. So what I'm going to do, let me show you guys. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side of my hair. Now look at this. And people say, oh, your hair, you don't have. No, look at that. If that's not 4C, 4B, 4A, whatever, who cares? I really don't even care about the typing. It's just magic to go from this to this, or however your hair is. If it's kinky, if it's curly, whatever it is, it's beautiful. And we have to learn to embrace that, because God is in our hair. And it is gorgeous. It is versatile. I mean, and magical. So you guys, what I'm going to do now is go ahead off camera and just complete this side. And then I'm going to come back. So don't go anywhere. Okay, guys, I'm back and I completed this side. And you can see the shrinkage has already begun. I just completed this side. And you can see if I stretch it out, it's very long, but it's already shrinking up, which is a beautiful thing. So, you know, if you guys can see that, you can see that. You guys, we are blessed with a beautiful head of just magic. It could do so many different things. And if we handle it with care and we listen to it, oh my God, what kind of other things would our hair show us? Because it's magic. God is in this hair, you guys. Trust me. I just really hope you guys pray and ask God for understanding of the hair that's growing out of your scalp. Because God gave you that hair and God makes no mistakes. And it's up to us to ask for understanding, okay, to learn how to maintain and care for this beautiful gift. It is a gift. It is a blessing. And we have to start looking at it like that. So you guys, what I'm going to do now is just play the waiting game and let it wait. Let it dry, not wait. Let it dry. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys my shrinkage, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and just let my hair dry, and then I will be back. So don't go anywhere. Hey guys, welcome back. So my hair is about, I would say about 90% dry. And it shrunk up a lot, but not as much as it usually shrink up. I guess it's because of the product and how much I use, but I'm also going to link two of my other videos, one being my wash and go. I think it's my winter wash and go with using Camille Rose. I'm gonna link that, and I'll probably link another one so you guys can really see my full shrinkage. I didn't think this product would kind of weigh my hair down, but you still can see, because if you can see, my hair, you know, comes all the way down here. So yeah, so you can see, you know, my hair is stuck together. But yeah, so you definitely can see, you know. But like I said before, very beautiful, and amazing and magical, like I said. And just to think I can take this and make it absolutely longer if I want to. So that's just the beauty of shrinkage. So really the whole point of this video is just for us to embrace our God-given hair and just enjoy all the benefits of our hair, because we have so many. And I just think we have to embrace it and just love it. So you guys, I hope from this video that you would look at your shrinkage different. You would start to embrace it and love it. So I really hope that this really changes the way you look at it. Love your hair. Love it. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.